Hello everyone, I'm Janine H. Santiago. Today I will discuss to you my activity in Nutrition and Diet Therapy Laboratory. So my body frame is small, which is equivalent to 10%. So the formula in getting the desirable body weight is equal to height in centimeter minus 100. So my height is 150 centimeter less 100 is equal to 50. Now, get the 10% of the 50, which is 45. So my desirable body weight is 45 kilogram or 99 pounds. In calculating of basal needs, female is 0.9 kcal kilogram per hour and the male is 1 kcal per kilogram per hour. So the formula is kcal times kilogram times R is equal to, so I'm a female, so I'm using 0.9 kcal times my body weight, which is 45 kilogram times 24. So the total is 972 kcal. So let's move on to estimated physical activities. The formula is BMR times 0.60, which is my activity light. So the total is 972 times 0.6 is equal to 583.2. So my total estimated physical activities is 582.2 kcal. So next is total energy allowance. The formula is BMR plus EPA is equal to 972 kcal plus 582.2 is equal to 1,555.2 kcal per day. So let's move on to the distribution of TEA. The normal diet allotted percentage for carbohydrates is 65%, for proteins is 15%, for fats is 20%. So the formula in getting the distribution of TA is equal to TAA times normal diet allotted percentage. For proteins, 1,552.2 kcal, which is my TEA, times 0.65, the normal diet allotted percentage in carbohydrates is equal to 1,010.88 kcal. So next, proteins, 1,552 kcal times 0.15 is equal to 233.28 kcal. For fats, 100 or 1,555.2 kcal times 0.20 or 20% is equal to 311.4 or 04 kcal. So next is gram calculations. For carbohydrates, the distribution of TA is 1,010.88 kcal divided by 4 is equal to 252.5 grams. And we rounded it to the nearest form, which is 250 grams. Next is proteins. The distributed TA is 233.28 kcal divided by 4 is equal to 58.32 or 60 grams. For fats, the distributed TEA is 311.04 kcal divided by 9 is equal to 34.56 or 30 grams. So my diet prescription kcal is for carbohydrates 250 grams, for proteins 60 grams, and for the fats is 30 grams. So this is the macronutrient composition of food exchange list. My diet prescription for carbohydrates is 250 grams. Get the partial sum of carbohydrates, which is vegetable is equivalent to 9, fruit is 40, milk is 12, and sugar is 15, with a total of 77. Now, deduct the partial carbohydrates from prescribed carbohydrates. 250 less 77 is equal to 173. 173 divided by 23 is equal to 7.5 or 8 to exchange of rice. So here, 4.5 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 here in the rice A and rice B. And that is the number of exchange for rice A and B. Next is proteins. My diet prescription is 60 grams. Get the partial sum of proteins, which is vegetable is equivalent to 3, milk 8, rice A and B is equivalent to 8, with a total of 27. Now deduct the partial of carbohydrates or proteins rather from prescribed proteins, which is 60 minus 27 is equal to 33. 33 divided by 8 is equal to 4.1 or 4 to exchange of meat. So here, from the meat, low fat, number of exchange is 4. And last is the fats. My diet prescription in fats is 30 grams. Get the partial sum of fats, which is milk is equivalent to 5, meat is 4, with a total of 9. Deduct the partial fats from prescribed fats, which is 30 less 9 is equal to 21. 21 divided by 5 is equal to 4.2 or 4 exchange of fats. So here, the number of exchange for fats is 4. So in getting my energy kcal, carbohydrates will be multiplied by 4, proteins will be multiplied also by 4, and fats is multiplied by 9. So 9 times 4 plus 3 times 4 is equal to 48. 48 for vegetable. And for the fruits, 40 times 4 is equal to 160. For milk, low fat, 12 times 4 plus 8 times 4 plus 5 times 9 is equal to 125. And for the rice A and B, 92 times 4 plus 6 times 4 is equal to 392. So for the proteins, meat, low fat, 32 times 4 is equal to plus 4 times 9 is equal to 164. And for the fats, 20 times 9 is equal to 180. For the sugar, 15 times 4 in the carbohydrates is equal to 60. So the total of carbohydrates is 248. For proteins is 59. For fats is 29. And the total of energy kcal is 1,521 kcal. So for the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, I distributed my number of exchange for vegetable, 1 for breakfast, and also for lunch and dinner. So the total number of exchange for fruits is 4. So I distributed it by breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Next is milk, low fat. Number of exchange is 1. I use it for the breakfast. And rice A and B, number of exchange is 4. 1 for breakfast, 2 for lunch, and 1 for dinner. And for the meat, low fat, number of exchange is 4. 1 for breakfast, 2 for lunch, and 1 for dinner. And for the fats, the number of exchange is 4. I distributed it by 1 for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. And for the sugars, etc., is my number of exchange is 3. So I distributed it by breakfast, 1 for breakfast, 1 for dinner, and 1 for snack. And that's all. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Thank you, Mom.